Your Weekend Gardener, Evie.
Hi guys.
Back with the taste test.
Pera.
Pera?
Yeah.
You know what kind?
No.
Well, in Brazil, it's just pera.
Yeah.
Okay. That is called a fragrant pear.
Fragrant.
Fragrant is smell, aroma.
Aroma.
So they say that it has a real nice smell to it. It's a fragrant pear.
Interesting.
Where it comes from, I have no idea. But what's odd, it says China on here, and it's called a sand pear.
Sand pear. We have a video about the sand pear.
Yes, we do have a sand pear, but that was much bigger pear, and it had a sandy color. This is a fragrant pear, which is probably part of that family.
Okay. It's a cousin.
It's a cousin. It's like a small egg-shaped oval, yellowish green pear with little teeny spots on it.
Interesting. Let's cut to see.
Can you smell it?
Smell nothing.
Smell nothing? Let me see.
See. I don't know if
Very hint.
it's because it's cold.
No.
No? Okay.
You think it's sweet?
I think it's sweet.
Okay. No trick on this one. I have no idea. No one's spoken to me about this. I got this from the Asian, well, not the Asian market, but I got this from the international market.
International market.
Yeah, I tend, I like those because it's fruits from all over the world.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a different kind of fruit then.
These puppies were like $2 a pound.
$2 a pound. Yeah, let's see.
Do you smell it now?
Doesn't smell nothing, people.
Okay, there go the they said it was a fragrant pear. I don't smell it either.
Yeah, let's see.
I want my money back. I want my money back. I hear the crunch. That's always good.
Very good.
You got the head bob going. That's a good sign. Now, does it taste like any pera you ever had before?
Yeah. Yeah. The difference is not so sweet like I used to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Used to sweeter.
Yeah. I like the sweet fruit, but
Yeah, me too.
it's okay.
Okay.
Moist.
I see the juice coming off of it.
And crunchy, I told you. Yeah.
Crunchy's always good.
Yes, exactly. It's always fun to eat crunchy thing. Your turn. My number.
Yes.
My number is 5.
Oh, right down the middle.
Yes.
You know what you gotta do. I hear singing. You want a pera?
He's smelling.
Stop.
Mama.
Yeah, keep your nose over there, homeboy.
He won't catch you. What do you say?
I give it a 1. I don't taste it. That is the craziest thing. It has no taste.
But it's crunchy.
It has no taste.
It's funny. Yes, it's
Wow.
I give 5 because I eat again if I have a chance. But if I can choose, I prefer sweeter.
It actually tastes like absolutely nothing. Like, there's no sweet, there's no tangy, there's no sour.
You don't taste the pear?
I taste absolutely
little?
nothing. No.
Wow.
That's odd.
Nothing.
Nothing. I mean, I like the texture. I like the texture.
Yes.
I mean, I think this would go well with some juice, but wow, I've never...
Oh, yes, juice would be good.
I smell nothing and I taste absolutely nothing. This is odd. Ooh.
Juice with the apple or pineapple together.
Yeah, pineapple. But, I mean, I'm getting nothing from it.
Yeah.
That's a 1 for me.
1 for you, right?
That's a 1.
Yeah, I keep the 5.
Okay. Fragrant pear. No smell. No taste.
Boring.
Yeah, it's boring. I don't know. Nah, that's a no for me. I saw this in the store again. I just...
Yeah, we can choose the better for...
Yeah, so far, I guess European or American pears are better. The Asian pear, the sand pear.
Yeah.
No. That's enough for me. All right, Eve and I, we're out.
Bye, guys.
Romeo is eating.
Of course.
Kaki. I give him the pear. He don't want to.
No, it has no taste.
The dog don't like it.
It has no taste.
See? Oh, now he eat.
You know.
Bye, guys.